Data center versus cloud. Cloud versus data center. Guess what? With Openstack, you have the best of both worlds. We're excited to announce our new Get Hired interview program. This program will be available on Monday, November 15th. You can get this program now at our introductory pre-launch discount at 50% off by entering the coupon code Get Hired. The link is in the description below. Hi, my name is Michael Gibbs, and I'm the founder and CEO of Go Cloud Architects, and we're an organization that's dedicated towards building high-performance cloud computing and networking careers. Personally, I've been working in technology for over 25 years, and I've been helping others get their first tech job or get promoted in tech for more than 2 decades. Today, we're going to talk about the Openstack Cloud. But before we do, I want to talk about this network and data center versus cloud environment. Organizations for years have been building powerful networks and data centers. And these data centers offer some very high performance computing with extremely low latency, because in most cases the data centers are actually where the organization actually is. Now, the cost to operating a data center can get fairly expensive. And as we start exploring cloud computing, there's certain things about the cloud computing environment that are amazing. The agility and speed of auto scaling on the cloud, which lets us purchase exactly what we need and then scale out as needed as opposed to purchasing for peak performance. These things on the cloud are amazing. The capacity on the cloud is absolutely amazing. But, and here's the big but, the data center in today's world has higher performance than the cloud because it's local, so there's no latency to get there. Plus, in the data center, you have control over the hardware. You have control over your switches. So you can actually create a more secure and higher performance environment in your data center than you actually could in the cloud. But that doesn't mean that cloud computing isn't wonderful. And that doesn't mean that these public clouds like AWS and Azure and Google and Oracle don't offer tremendous business transformation benefits, because they do. But what if the data center could have all of that scalability and all those cool features and functionalities of the cloud, and you can connect that to the cloud? So you now have a multi-cloud environment with greater performance, lower costs, and no single points of failure. That's the power of Openstack. And if you're a cloud architect or a solutions architect, you will be working with hybrid clouds and multi-clouds. And if you're going to be working with a hybrid cloud, chances are it's going to be Openstack or Nutanix, and these are both wonderful clouds. But today we're going to talk about the Openstack Cloud, which is an open source private cloud offering that is extremely scalable, powerful, and flexible. And it can turn that organization's data center into a cloud. Now, it's not just me that's impressed with the Openstack Cloud. Openstack is used by huge companies, and they're achieving some incredible results. Let's give you an example of a few. Verizon, Adobe, Bloomberg, IBM, Harvard, AT&T, American Express, eBay, American Airlines all use Openstack, and that's only naming a few. And they're using it to build these high-performance, highly scalable environments. But also remember this, in the cloud, you're paying as you're using the computing power. But in your data center, once you purchase that compute, you're not really paying for it. So now you can have a cloud separated in 2 environments, and you can outsource to the public cloud what's going to scale best there, and you can keep in your local cloud what's going to perform best in your data center. So you can achieve lower cost and higher performance. So to me, and to every cloud architect, these hybrid clouds like the Nutanix Cloud and the Openstack Cloud really can be transformational for the organization. All these really great data center things, such as control over your hardware, the lack of latency to get to the cloud provider, they're all there. And now let's think about, what is edge computing? Why are we using edge computing in the first place? We're using a local midway point to connect to the cloud, because it's halfway between where our data center is in the cloud, reducing latency. Think about how much better it is just to be in your data center at your max speed and your max bandwidth. So max performance being in the data center. So this is a perfect way to create these hybrid and multi-cloud environments, giving you data center performance and data center functionality with cloud benefits. It doesn't get any better than this. And of course, If you're going to use Openstack, you're going to have to be able to integrate it with all your hardware, such as your storage, such as your containerized environment, and of course, Openstack integrates with everything. Your major storage providers, Kubernetes, the Red Hat version of Kubernetes called OpenShift. Here's the thing, OpenStack, OpenShift, it is the private cloud of the future. Want to build a great cloud architect career? Know how to build a cloud. Get very familiar with OpenStack. While you're at it, get very familiar with Nutanix. And while you're at it, learn how all the clouds work, not just a single cloud. Because we cloud architects work in hybrid clouds and multi-cloud environments every day. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the Openstack Cloud. I look forward to seeing you in another video very soon. Take care, everyone. It was so nice having you join us for this video today. Let me tell you about some free services we do for the cloud community. Twice per week, we have a free How to Get Your First Cloud Architect Job webinar, where we tell you all the things you need to do and know to get your first cloud architect job. In addition to that, once per week, we actually have a free question and answer session live on YouTube, where you can come and ask us any questions you want about building your career related to cloud computing or networking, and we'll answer them in real time for you because we want to get you to your goals. Several more times per week, we have guests from industry experts that I've known for decades that are movers and shakers that have changed the world, that can give you information so you can build the best career. I invite them periodically. They are on my show. If there's a chance to do some free training on our channel, we'll do it live because we want you to all to have the best skills for the best career. So please subscribe and hit the bell. I look forward to seeing you, and I look forward to assisting you in your technology career. Thank you so much. This is Michael Gibbs from Go Cloud Architect.